Hello friends, welcome. So today we'll be looking at the new topic. The topic is ages. It's actually not a new topic. It is actually a subtopic of the concept ratio and proportion, which we have already learned. I'll just revise something. That is, when we are talking about ratios, say in particular, if I'm talking about age, say me and my sibling, I am 5 years old, he is 3 years old. Now, if I'm talking about years, addition or subtraction, suppose if I'm talking about a period after 10 years, say 10 years, 10 years extra. So I'll be 15, he'll be 13. The new ratio of ages is 15 and 13. We can observe here, no matter how much we add, the ratio will change, but the difference will remain same. Here it was 2, here is also 2. If I go backwards also, say 5:3, if I'm talking about 2 years before, I'll be 3 years old and he'll be 1 year old. So ratio is changing, but the difference between our ages will remain same. This simple concept, if you understand very correctly, then the age problems on age related questions are like cakewalk for you guys. Let's see how. I'll take the example. Say 10 years ago, the ratio of A and B was 3:2. Say if I'm talking about 2012, present is 2022 and 2020, 2032. So 10 years ago means 2012, the ratio of age of A and B was 3:2. That is 3:2. And after 10 years, the ages ratio will be 4:3. Means if you are talking from present, 10 years ago it was 3:2 and after 10 years it will be 4:3. Find the sum of their present ages, it is asking. It means, look here, I just now explained that difference is 1, difference is 1. This is after a gap of 20 years. See, the ratio is changing, but the difference is not changing. Here also it is 1 unit, here also it is 1 unit. So you can directly say 1 unit is equal to 20 years. So sum of their present ages. What are the ages in 2012? If 1 unit is 20, it means he is 60, he is 40 because into 20 and into 20. This is 10 years before. What is the sum after 10 years? You will add 10 to both, that is 60 plus 10 here and 40 plus 10 here. It will be 70 and 50, it will be 120 years. I hope you understood. Why this method is more convenient is it avoids all the calculation errors and tedious equation forms. I'll show how. If you go for traditional method, you have to write 3x upon 2x, then 10 years before and 10 years later, it means plus 20 and plus 20 is giving a new ratio that is 4:3. Now cross multiply, that is 9x plus 60 is equal to 8x plus 80. Again 9x minus 8x is equal to 80 minus 60. X is equal to 20. So in order to calculate x is equal to 20 or 1 unit equal to 20, it is taking this much equation. Then again, you have to calculate 3x, value of 3x, that is 3x is equal to 60, 2x is equal to 40. These are 10 years before, then 10 years later it will be plus 10 plus 10. So it will be time taking. So much convenient method is go for the smart method, that is just observe and focus on the basic concept of ratio and proportion. That is, if you are adding something common or subtracting something common, the ratio will change, but the difference will not change. I hope you understood.